Good morning everyone. My name is Shriparna Gangopadhyay and today I am going to present my PPT from course code 1.1.5, course name Understanding Discipline and Subjects. The topic of my presentation is Science as a Method of Inquiry, Scientific Method, Steps, Importance and Limitations. Let's begin. First, let us understand science as a method of inquiry. Science is a systematic way of finding answers to questions about the world around us. It follows an organized and logical process. Scientists begin with careful observation of natural events or phenomena that occurs around us. After observing, they ask clear questions about it. Next, scientists develop a hypothesis which is a possible explanation of that event and that can be tested. After the development of hypothesis, they conduct experiments in controlled conditions to test that hypothesis. During experiments, data is collected and analyzed to see whether the hypothesis is correct or not. Scientific inquiry is based on logic, evidence, and objectivity. This means results should depend on facts rather than on someone's personal opinions or beliefs. Another important feature of science is that it is self-correcting. If new evidence appears, earlier ideas can be modified or replaced. Now, when a hypothesis is supported by a lot of evidence, it may help develop a scientific theory. Scientists also share their findings with others through research papers and discussions so that other scientists can verify and repeat the results. Moving on to the next slide, let's look at the steps of scientific method. The first step is observation, where we notice a problem or phenomenon. Second is asking a question about what we have observed. Third is forming a hypothesis which is a possible explanation. Fourth is experimentation to test that hypothesis. Next, we collect and analyze data from the experiment. Then we draw a conclusion to see whether the hypothesis is supported or rejected. Finally, the results are communicated to others. Let's move on to the next slide. The importance of scientific method. The scientific method is important because it provides an organized and a systematic way of investigation. It ensures objectivity, meaning conclusions are based on evidence, not on someone's personal beliefs or opinions. It also improves accuracy and precision in research. It also enables verification of results, that is, the experiments can be repeated by other scientists and see if the results are same or not, and thus the findings and facts can be confirmed. Moreover, the scientific method encourages critical thinking and problem solving. It helps us understand the cause and effect relationship and contributes to discoveries in fields like medicine, technology, and engineering. It also helps people make informed and rational decisions based on evidence. Now, moving on to the next slide, let's look at the limitations of scientific method. Scientific method also has certain limitations. Now let's look at them. It can only be observable and measurable phenomena. Questions about values, morals, or beliefs cannot be answered through scientific experiments. Scientific research also depends on available technology and instruments. Sometimes, possibility of human errors or personal biases may also influence the results. Some systems like climate or ecosystems are very complex, making them difficult to study completely using scientific methods. In addition, scientific research can be time consuming and require many sources. In conclusion, the scientific method is a powerful tool for understanding the natural world, but this also has its certain limitations. By following this method, scientists continue to expand knowledge and make new discoveries. Thank you.